In order to keep the water from freezing around our boats, the marina puts in bubblers, which hang these pretty sculptures underneath the docks. Dale and I are here because our neighbor Murch has put his dinghy at the end of the slip, and it keeps the bubbler from agitating the water effectively. So we're getting sub-zero temperatures this weekend. So Dale and I are here to move the dinghy so that Murch can get benefit of that bubbler. And then this is Murch's bubbler, which he's lent us to put in our own slip, so that Betty Jane gets plenty of water circulation and no ice on her hull. See, there's some ice forming right there.